Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to upload website files to Namecheap hosting. Once the files are uploaded, your website will be ready to go live. Uploading website files with Namecheap hosting puts your website content on their servers, so it can be accessed online. This lets your domain show your website correctly. First, open your browser. We will guide you through each step in a simple way, so everyone can follow along. Next, go to Namecheap.com. Once there, log into your account. After logging in, go to Dashboards. Click on this. For hosting, click on Hosting List. You can find your hosting list in the upper right corner of the page. Then, go to cPanel. You will be redirected to cPanel. In cPanel, find the File Manager under the Tools section. Just scroll down until you see File Manager in the Files section. Once you see it, click on this one. In File Manager, upload your website files so your website goes online. To upload the files, find the public HTML folder. Choose this one. After choosing it, double-click this one and you will go to this section. Once here, click this, then Upload, and click this. For example, if we upload a file, just select the file here. Wait for it to finish uploading. When it is done, close everything, and you can now open your website. That's how we upload website files to Namecheap hosting. After the upload is complete, your site should be live and accessible.